Hello guys, based on this binomial distribution formula, whereby we have probability of x equals to x, n combination x, p raised to the power of x 1 minus p raised to the power of n minus x. Let's assume that if n is given as 10 from a question and you have your raw score to be 3 and the probability to be 0.2, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to make use of calculator to solve binomial question. Take for instance, if you are making use of the natural display calculator and I want to try to press 10 combination 3, 0.2 raised to the power of 3, 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 3. All you just need to do is you switch on your calculator as usual, then I need to press 10 combination 3. 10 combination 3 implies 10. You will see a particular combination sign on this division button. Then you need to press shift and divide. 10 combination 3, then times, you open a bracket. I think the next one there is 0.2 raised to the power of 3. 0.2, you close the bracket, then you raise it up to 3, and then you have to make sure that this blinking line has to come down. Then you press times, you open another bracket, and then I have 1 minus 0.2, 1 minus 0.2, 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of, and I have 10 minus 3, 10 minus 3. So that gives us 0.2, 0.20133. So that's how we use calculator to solve binomial question. What if I was to find a question like not x equals to 3? What if it was now at most 3? That is, I have to solve for 0, 1, 2, and 3. So all you just need to do is, this implies that I need to solve for when I have 10 combination 0, when I have x to be 0, 0.2 raised to the power of 0, when I have 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 0. Possibly, I will have to add it with when x is 1, and that is 10 combination 1, 0.2 raised to the power of 1, 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 1. Then plus, when x is 2, then I'll have 10 combination 2. I'm making use of this formula initially. 10 combination 2, 0.2 raised to the power of 2, 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 2. Then plus the final one, which is what? 10 combination 3, 0.2 raised to the power of 3, 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 3. So all these results implies probability of at most 3 when you are given any question based on binomial. So binomial distribution. So guys, if you want to press all these digits on this same calculator, is what you can do. All you just need to do is you make use of the complete bracket. I mean, I want to work with when x is 0 plus when x is 1 plus when x is 2 plus and when x is 3. And let me work on that. For this first bracket, I want to put for when x is 0, and that is what I have here. Then combination 0, 0.2 raised to the power of 0. So that's what I'm going to work on now. Then combination 0, shift and divide 0 times 0.2, 0.2 raised to the power of 0. It has to come down times 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 0, and that is 10. Then for the other one, you move to the next bracket, and then 10 combination 1 times 0.2 raised to the power of 1. Then you have to come down and press times 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 1. That gives us 9. And for this second one, that is the same 10 combination 2. I'm using for 2 now. The first one I used there was 1. Okay, I'm good to go. So the next one here should be for 10 combination 2 times 0.2 raised to the power of 2, then times 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 2, and that's 8. And for the last part, which is for 10 combination for when x is 3, so I need to press 10 combination, that is shift and divide 3 times 0.2. I think it is almost filled up. So all I would just advise you to do is just solve out for 0, 1, 2 first by pressing the equal to sign. So I have this result. Then all I need to do next is you add it with final one, which is what? For when x is 3, that is 10 combination 3 plus times 0.2 raised to the power of 3, then times 1 minus 0.2 raised to the power of 10 minus 3, which is 7, and then I have my final answer to be 0.8791. So the result for this question gives us 0.8791. So this is how to use natural display calculator FX991ES Plus to solve questions on binomial easily. Thank you very much.